Welcome back to Asunlocker solution. We are going to show you how to remove iCloud with Scylla tool. Scylla tool very easy to use. Download, open, unzip after open, and you have to connect your phone in normal mode. You can see this tool say to connect your iOS device via USB cable to your computer. Okay, Scylla tool support Mac and Windows both. Scylla tool has Mac version and Windows version. Both you can use. You can see this tool waiting for device. You have to connect your device in normal mode on hello screen mode to remove iCloud. Very easy to remove iCloud. You can see we are going to reopen. You can see this device is connected, and you have to click on the check FMI first. When you can see this device is comfortable, I mean support, then you have to follow the second step. You can see this device is supported set, and click OK, and then you click on the start process. You can see the start process button. Click on the start process. Tool also said to press the start process. Checking region, FMI off processing. Remember, China device is not support, and you can see if not support, tool also say to you not support. Congratulations, your device is supported. Now go to asunlocker.com and order your device with IMEI, and your iCloud will be done 1 to 10 minutes. Thanks for watching by this video. This video will be helpful for you to remove iCloud. Thanks.